PrepTest 68, Game 3, Question 11 asks us if there are no V3 targets, each of the following must be true except. So in an except question like this, we're going to find 4 that must be true and 1 that could be false. So let's get our main diagram up here and let's plug in the information we already know, which using our rules, we know that if IV, and I shouldn't have put equal signs in here, sorry about that, it should just be less than. If IV is less than SV and TV, then IV can't be here, and S and TV can't be here. If SW is less than TW, S can't be here and T can't be here. They've also told us that there are no V3 targets, so nothing goes here. So that essentially shifts this rule over one and says that I can't go here. Therefore, I must be here, and S and T must be here. Now, this rule tells us that our website targets must be less than or equal to our voicemail targets, so we can't have any W3s. This rule thus shifts. We can't have S here. So S must be here and T must be here, and our only remaining floater is IW. Remember, each company's website target must be less than or equal to its voicemail target. And since IV is here in 1, that means IW must be here in 1. So we have a nice complete diagram. Let's figure out what must be true. A, IW is 1. That must be true. SW is 2. That not only could be false, that actually must be false in our diagram. Answer choice C, SV is 2. SV, in fact, is true. 2, that must be true. TW is 2. Correct, here it is right here. That must be true. And finally, TV is 2. And that also must be true in our diagram, meaning B is our odd man out and the correct answer to this question.